There's a really large percent of our population whose teeth have deteriorated to the point that they need full mouth reconstruction. And that's a loaded term, but by that what I mean is essentially we can't just fix a tooth or two teeth or half the teeth. Sometimes we have to reconstruct sometimes even every tooth in someone's mouth. When the teeth as a whole, when all the teeth together wear down badly enough, break down badly enough, or they shift so bad that your jaw gets out of position, we have to replace those teeth in a way that the shape and size of your teeth fit with your TMJ. If you have reached the point where your teeth have gotten bad enough, where they've worn down bad enough, or you're missing enough of them, your TMJ can get out of alignment. You can be at risk of chronic infection. The way I think of this is we try to rebuild the teeth as God intended. The way that if you had never had dental problems your entire life, and if your teeth were the same shape they should have been in when you were 21 years old for your entire life, we try to rebuild to that standard, to the point where you have the right amount of teeth touching in the front and in the back, to where the smile is even, to where your ability to speak is restored. So with full mouth reconstruction, we typically are designing that to last the rest of your life with good home care and good habits. And of course, you need to keep them clean. You need to be coming in on a regular basis to be checking and make sure everything's holding up the way we need to. Full mouth reconstruction is a really, really wonderful solution to more advanced problems. If you feel like your teeth are getting shorter, they're worn down, if you're missing teeth, if your TMJ is out of alignment, if you're having pain in your temples, clicking jaw, and your teeth could be rebuilt, that is when we want to consider full mouth reconstruction. And if you feel like that might be something you need, that's what we do day in and day out. Give us a call and we can rebuild your teeth, whether it's limited or if it's full mouth.